A management information system is a computer system that blends the hardware and software that serves as the backbone of an organization's operations. MIS became a necessity for the success of operations and the organizations as a whole. In this video, we will talk about the American multinational retail corporation, Walmart. Walmart, established by Sam Walton on 2nd July 1962. The first Walmart store was in Rogers, Arkansas. Sam Walton's plan is built on unshakable pace, the lowest prices, anytime, anywhere. We will discuss their supply chain management system and the most important tool for their effective supply chain management. We will summarize their problem, solution, IT infrastructure, management levels, business process, and lastly, the system impact on the corporation. The massive amounts of products result in critical practices and decisions like overseeing the stock continue and making sure the information is valid, how they deal in the right way with their suppliers and make the right decisions. For these reasons, the supply chain management was the solution. Supply chain management is the organization and implementation of consolidated business process and procedures across the entire supply chain, from the sourcing of raw materials to the manufacturing of a product and finally shipping of that product to retail outlets and final consumers. With retail links, suppliers can view sales data at one or more Walmart stores and choose from different reports according to their needs. As a result, Walmart requires its suppliers to manage stock levels using retail link.
And now, let's talk about management levels. Management levels are the divisions between degrees of authority and responsibility in a company. Our company runs in three managerial levels: strategic level, tactical level, and operational level. Operational level is the most common and what we depend on in the supply chain management system, making sure that all the employees and the system working effectively and efficiently is a big role for the operational managers, who are also called first-line managers. Moving to IT infrastructure. To build a successful company, IT infrastructure is needed to develop an information system. All the components in IT infrastructure are necessary to build any system, but the main components that our company needs are 1. Data storage and management. This includes both primary and secondary storage. The first is memory, which is made up of RAM and ROM and provides instant access to data and instructions. The secondary storage is working alongside the primary storage, and it saves data for a long period to access information anytime later. 2 is platform for operating systems. In a word, an operating system platform is a group of programs that monitor computer hardware and serve as a user interface for application software. The operating system required in a supply chain system because it performs duties that other systems cannot. Primary gathers information from the stores and sends it to the retail link, which suppliers can access. 3 is Internet platforms. The Internet is a worldwide network that uses common standards to connect massive networks in practically every country. As a result of Internet technology, new goods, services, and enterprise are sprouting. The Internet platform can assist the facility and its suppliers in two ways. First and foremost, instead of needing to go to each store of Walmart, suppliers can use the extranet to access the information of the inventory from anywhere in the world and at any time. Suppliers will also have access to an extranet for specialized information such as Walmart store and distribution center alignment and market basket analysis, allowing them to complete their orders. Second, authorized employees and managers will have access to the company's database through the internet, which will be accessible.
Walmart's business process and business functions. Walmart has a supply chain management corporation that provides a different chain of discounted store and grocery stores. And it's one of the largest retail stores in the world that carry world's largest private cloud. And it uses data analysis to attract customers in their website and help them make the inventory available at the time and the location, which in return will increase the revenue and better customer experience. It's one of the companies that has successfully implemented information systems. They use technology to keep track of supplier inventory and to maintain a positive relationship with customers in order to recruit and return them. Walmart has benefited from the use of information technology in allowing the corporation to maintain its market leadership. The barcode system is one of the most critical information systems used by Walmart. The company is one of the few that can efficiently organize data from various sources into useful information. The information received from barcodes is utilized to track sales. Walmart has access to product sales data, including the kind of things purchased and their costs. So this allows Walmart to maintain a real-time database with sufficient information on corporate transactions. Companies use supply chain management to ensure that they are efficient and cost-effective. A supply chain is a series of procedures taken by a corporation to convert raw materials into finished goods. There are 5 key elements of supply chain management. Planning is the first step in the process. It shows how the product and the service will satisfy the expectations and the necessities of the clients. The next phase after planning is the develop sourcing. At this point, the main focus is to build strong relationships with suppliers of the raw materials needed for production. Manufacturing customer requested products are the third step in the supply chain management process. In this step, the product is created, manufactured, tested, packaged, and delivered. The delivery phase is the fourth phase. They deliver goods to the consumer at the stated location by the provider. The last stage in supply chain management is return. The client returns any defective or damaged items to the provider. So what are the impacts of the supply chain management on Walmart? Information systems bring many benefits to Walmart and allow Walmart to reduce costs and increase profits. For example, RFID allows enterprises to monitor their supply chain. This eliminates any loss that can occur due to a lack of proper tracking of various processes. Information systems also ensure that both the customers and company's employees do not lose a lot of time. Integrates Walmart retail shop, website, and the mobile application, allowing the company to function more efficiently. To sum up, the efficiency of the information system strategy on the organization can help them achieve the market leadership over companies with weak or no management information system background. For making a timely and educated choice, the administration requires credible information on the current market trend and relevant business data. With over 2 million employees in 28 countries and an average of 32 billion in inventory, Walmart operates over 11,000 stores under 59 brand names. With this kind of figures, having an effective and efficient supply chain management strategy and system is crucial. The entire company is dedicated to a business model that reduces supply chain costs so the consumers can save money and live better.